Alright, new project in the shop. Purchased this on eBay as a beta. As you can see by the handle, it's been beat already. So I got a good deal on that because of the damage. Also, it's been reground and the tip must have been broken because look at that. I can just grab that with my nail. Definitely don't want a knife that can do that. Very close. Blade's been pretty much hacked. It's been reground, serrations. It's not looking too good. That ain't stock. They also tried to grind into them. Well, my plans. Let me switch off hands over here. Yeah, my plans for this thing is I'm gonna do like a little refurbish on it. It's not gonna be 100%, of course, because of all the damage. But I'm gonna disguise some of it. Maybe I'll leave some of it, clean it out, redo all kinds of stuff on it. I'm gonna make it the best that I can make it. As you can see, it's been beat. All right, guys. Wish me luck on this one. Oh boy. Don't want that to strip. Alright, looks like someone already stripped this. So, see what I'm going to do here. That's where the lock is. I think I'm going to focus on that one last. Yeah, because I got this other screwdriver here and still. Yeah, they actually, you know what? If I put some pressure down, I can get it. Yeah, it sucks. I might have to ruin that, grabbing it with a vice grip. It's stripping even more. So that's no good. This one's totally gone. How about this one? That's not too bad. Yeah, I can see they try to take this apart and they stripped that one. All the other ones were light. They weren't even tight. Oh, this one. What's going on here? Oh, it's on there. Holy shit. You know what? Let me see this here. Look at that. That washer. Yeah, that washer's supposed to go with that right there. Yeah, this is on here. I don't know what the hell they did. What, did they glue this thing? Yeah, this thing's beat. I'm having a hard time with this one. No. See that? It's It's prying it apart. Something's going on over here. There we go. Little by little. Okay, let me see. Oh, there we go. There we go. Wow. Look at these washers. I'm gonna have to polish that up. The other one's missing. Hopefully, it's here. Yep, there it is. Good. Let's take a look at this one. Yeah. This thing has been beat hard. What the hell's this? What is that? That is nasty. Put that on the floor. Be swept. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with these. These are in there as well. Look at that. Wow. Okay, there's one. Good. Yeah, right. That one's stuck. Oh. Oh, shit. Try this one again. Nope. How about like this? No. And of course, this one's stripped. Let's see if I can take that spring out of there. There's that spring. Yeah, we'll make that blade look good. I'm going to do some hand work on it. I think the logo is going to be lost. It's already ruined anyway. It's light. I'm going to get these scratches out, hopefully. Who knows with this? I believe that was flat grind. Or was that a hollow? Feels flat. Yeah, it might be flat. So I'm having a hard time with this one and this one. This one's screwed for sure. People. Yeah. Yeah, I need to get this out. I need to use the vice grips. Unfortunately, I have no choice but to use the vice grips. Hopefully I have a screw for that as well. Alright, what do we got going on over here? And of course these vice grips are cockeyed. There we go. Maybe. Rah. Oh, did I get it? That was close. Oh man. It's going, but man, it is beat. That screw. It's cross-threaded, I think. I'm gonna set that one off to the side. Let's see what's going on with that thing. Yeah, something's up. I don't know what the hell they put on here. But I gotta put that one off to the side. I don't want to mix it. I'll set it over. Alright, so let's see if we can get these last two pivot barrels. So that one, I'm gonna set this off to the side as well, so I can know that that was part of the locking, the part of the way the lock release is, or the lock bar is. Yeah, I'll set this one off to the side. Okay, one more. Oh, that came out pretty good. Some rust. What is that, rust? No, it's not rust. Just gotta be careful with this backspacer back here. You can actually ruin that with these little tabs. I've had one long time ago. Give me a hard time because those tabs, they wore off basically from all the. I don't know what happened. Alright, this is on here pretty good. Wow! Holy shit!
Alright, I'm gonna have to get a flathead. What's this one here? Okay. Alright, hopefully I can get this out of here without too much damage. Or no damage. I don't want damage, of course. What the hell's going on over here? Jesus Christ. Come on. I don't know what it is, but this is not wanting to come out. Let me spray it. I'm going to spray it, let it sit for a little while. Don't want to break that. There we go. Wow. What was that? Hopefully I didn't damage this piece. I tried not to. Okay, it looks pretty good. Now I have to get this out. Hopefully it'll come out. Yeah, it's no problem. Getting that out. Look at that. What is that, animal here? That's nasty. Okay. Oh, yeah, there we go. Gee. Well, that was a challenge. What do you say? Another piece of animal here, right there. Shout out to the animal here. If you're watching, dog or cat, come and claim your hair. I will ship it out to you free of charge. Alright guys, got that over here. What I'm going to do is, I don't even know what I'm going to do actually. You know what I am going to do? I'm just going to set this all over here, and then we'll take a break and figure out what I'm going to do. Alright, let's get some gloves. Alright. Good luck.
finished her up. As you can see, little dents are still there. Didn't touch that. Cleaned her up, as you saw, inside and out. Found a new screw for here. Acid washed all the hardware. New pocket clip. Solid knife. Nice new edge on there. What's this black thing? Yeah, I'm not sure what that is. Is it a little dot? That's strange. I just noticed that now. Oh well, gives a character. Dings, dents on it. But check out this side. Yeah, razor sharp. Straight down the center. It was a fun project. On to the next one we go. Thanks for watching.